Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Is it an upside down Scotty?
Yes.
I walked in at the worst case scenario.
Well, last time you guys saw me, I was using our CAD design cardboard.
I don't even want to know.
The best. I mean, we only use the best cardboard in this place. I swear to God, we do.
Did it come out of a Summit box?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's good cardboard. What is that? CAD design roll plastic? Are you making shit? Are you being a genius?
Now, like it's supposed to have been from the factory, we will have a plastic cover.
Look at you.
And I have more so that I can properly put this in place, bolt it up like it needs to be, to make everything look as respectable and as nice as I can possibly get it. I have enough to go across here, hide all the wiring so that nobody will ever see it like it's supposed to be. I got a little bit more to go. I just got to finish off one more wire here to get the solder connection on and the shrink wrap on it so that it's safe. Then all that's really left is the ignition.
Look at you.
And the wiper.
Wow.
But we may, I don't know yet, I have to look, we may have to order a new wiper motor.
Okay, we'll look at that in a bit.
Because the wiring, for whatever reasons, I don't know what got powered when the fire started, but the connection literally that far from the motor is bad.
Or we can
I
pull
don't
them
know
up.
yet, and the motor's buried, so.
Okay, well, before you go too far, maybe we'll look into that.
Yeah, but I want to at least get, like I said in my previous video, for those of you that were able to see it, I got a little bit more to go, a little bit of trimming, but basically this is what the idea will be. Screwed into place. I got to do some trimming right here. Not that you can see, but I got a little bit of trimming to do. Screwed into place, and no one will be the wiser, and it will look respectable like it's supposed to. So all that's left is to figure out what we're going to do with the 2 extra wires. Run our courtesy lights for each side to the switch. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm underneath the car, so everything's opposite. So we'll get that done. Get the last little bit with here done. I've pulled all the wiring out from underneath the dash to come here. So we have to rewire the switch here. Yep, so I loosened everything up, cut the wires and left them marked. Left my marked wires over here.
That's your neutral safety and backup light switch, I would assume.
So
yeah.
we're gonna have that to deal with.
We got to pull trans out.
Yep. So I mean, it's tedious. I know the videos are not, oh my God, but if you look and you look at what I started with to where I'm at right now.
Oh yeah, we're night and day.
Night and day difference.
All right. Well,
but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna smack my white thingy at you and call it adios.